Hey everybody, got a little idea here. A long time ago, whenever I operated under the name The Alien Tiki Bar, that was the name of my project back then, I did a lot of little segments that I was working on, which never aired, called Cooking with Condiments. Basically, they were a dorm room, bachelor type, what's in the kitchen drawers recipe idea. And I've decided to resurrect that idea. And we're going to try a weird little recipe. Now, we all end up with condiments. Every time we get takeout, we end up with a little couple extra packets. Now, with me, they always get thrown into a drawer, and lately I've been sorting them because it goes with the prepper mentality as well. They are single serve, basically, small portions, they're sealed, and they should last for a long time. Now, I'm working on a recipe later today, and I need a cocktail sauce. So I'm going to fake my own. Now, this is a sweet pickle relish. I'm going to cut the end off of it. We're going to squeeze it into a bowl. We are totally shooting from the hip here. Now, a good cocktail sauce to me has horseradish in it. We're going to take 3 packages of horsey sauce. We end up with a lot of this because I love it on my roast beef sandwiches. And let's see what we get with that. 1. I got a little bowl here. I'm not actually throwing the wrappers on the floor. Alright, look at that. Always look at your packages before you start squeezing it on stuff. It's nothing worse than being at home with your hamburger, reaching into the drawer, and squeezing in a bunch of black ketchup onto it. Okay, so we've got sweet pickle relish, we've got horsey sauce. Now we're going with ketchup. Now this is all really fresh, so I don't have to worry about this bag. You see, I store these away in Ziplocs in something where they won't get crushed. I know, let's see, that's 3. I'm going to use at least 6 of these. I might need a lot of cocktail sauce anyway. And McDonald's ketchup. Everybody loves McDonald's ketchup. Okay, I think that's 6. Let's see what we got here. Still way too much horsey sauce in there for the amount of ketchup. So let's do 4 more. I guess I could put red food coloring in it. For some reason, I have food coloring around here all the time. Like lots of food coloring. Gets me in trouble occasionally. And that's why sometimes my hands are funny colors in my videos. Okay, let's see. Let's see what it needs. You know, that's doable right there. Okay, so 1 package of pickle relish, 10 packages of ketchup, and 3 packages of Arby's horsey sauce. And I've got a really tasty cocktail sauce. It's kind of orange, but it'll work great for what I'm going to make tonight. Another thing I like to do, Parmesan cheese, crushed red peppers. I take them out, put them into containers. They are ready to go. I've got shakers that these actually go in. This is kind of excess. And I use these all the time in my projects and recipes. So you'll be seeing a lot more of this. I've even got a great fake Alfredo.